Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making one of the easiest, heartiest, and most comforting meals ever: potatoes with ground meat. It's simple, it's budget friendly, and I promise your whole family will love it. If you're tired of complicated recipes, this one's for you. We're using just a few basic ingredients to make something truly delicious. Let's get cooking. Ingredient introduction. Here's everything you'll need for this recipe. 3 to 4 medium potatoes, peeled and cut into cubes. 300 to 400 grams of ground meat, beef, pork, or a mix. 1 medium onion, diced. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional. A bit of paprika or mixed herbs for extra flavor. Optional. A splash of broth or water if you want it saucier. Fresh parsley for garnish. That's it. Nothing fancy, just good, honest food. Step 1. Prep the ingredients. Let's start by prepping our ingredients. Peel your potatoes and cut them into bite-sized cubes, not too small, not too big, just even pieces so they cook evenly. Next, dice the onion and mince the garlic. Simple prep, simple meal, that's the beauty of this dish. Step 2. Cook the meat. Now heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil's hot, add your diced onion. Sauté for about 2 minutes until it turns translucent and releases that sweet aroma. Then add your minced garlic and stir for another 30 seconds. Now here comes the star of the dish, our ground meat. Drop it into the pan and start breaking it apart with a spoon. Cook until the meat turns brown and slightly crispy around the edges, about 5 to 7 minutes. This browning step adds flavor, so don't rush it. Step 3. Seasoning the meat. Once the meat is browned, it's time to season it. Add about half a teaspoon of salt, a bit of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika if you like a smoky flavor. You can also toss in a sprinkle of thyme or oregano if you want a little herbal note. Mix everything well so the meat absorbs all that seasoning. Step 4. Add the potatoes. Now add your cubed potatoes straight into the pan. Give everything a good stir so the potatoes are coated with all that meaty flavor. If your pan looks a little dry, add just a splash of water or broth, about half a cup. This helps the potatoes cook through while keeping the dish juicy and flavorful. Step 5. Simmer and cook. Cover the pan with a lid and reduce the heat to medium-low. Let everything simmer gently for about 10 to 12 minutes. During this time, the potatoes will absorb the flavor from the meat and spices. The kitchen will smell amazing. Every few minutes, give it a quick stir so nothing sticks to the bottom. Step 6. Check for doneness. After about 10 minutes, check your potatoes. If a fork slides in easily, they're done. If they still feel firm, cover again and cook for another few minutes. You can also adjust seasoning here, taste, and add a bit more salt or pepper if needed. Step 7. Finish and garnish. Once everything's tender and flavorful, turn off the heat. Sprinkle in some chopped parsley or green onions for color and freshness. That's it, a warm, hearty one-pan meal ready to serve. Time to plate this beauty. Scoop a generous portion onto your plate. Just look at that, the potatoes are soft, the meat is juicy, and it smells incredible. This dish goes perfectly with rice, bread, or even on its own. Simple, filling, and full of love. So there you have it, a simple and delicious potatoes with ground meat recipe that anyone can make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And let me know in the comments, what would you add to this dish? Maybe cheese, tomato sauce, or something spicy. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!